Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, hi, my name is Natasha and it's fantastic to have you here. For today's video, we are unboxing and taking a look at the Dream Song Oracle written by Angi Sullins with artwork by Marta Orlowska. Hopefully I'm saying the names correctly. I do apologize if I am not. This is published by US Game Systems, retailing for $26.95. And of course, everywhere that you can legitimately purchase this will be linked in the description box below. Thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. All right, let's get into it. Once upon a time, you were friends with the stars. Your neighbor was the moon, story was your guardian, and dreams your native language. When you had an idea, Lila, goddess of play, circled you with joy, calling upon your creativity. Making your way through the universe was a playful dance as you moved to the dream song of your heart. Travel the pages of this oracle map to reawaken your dream song. Use the wisdom contained in this guidebook and oracle deck to support your connection to authenticity. You deserve it. Listen to your dream song. It has come to guide you home. Includes 45 gold gilt-edged cards, an organza drawstring pouch, and a lushly illustrated 104-page guidebook. All right. Beautiful packaging. Okay, over here it says, your dream song was the original melody the universe sang into your soul upon birth. It is your muse, your guide, and your sovereign siren. This is your invitation to remember and revitalize that song. Dancing to its rhythm awakens divine play. Dream deep and sway wild. The world is your dance floor. Here is the organza bag. All right. Oh, there's the ribbon. And then we have the guidebook here. Cards. Oh my gosh, cute. And here's the bottom of the package. Okay, before we get into the cards, I do want to take a peek at the guidebook here. This deck is intended to accompany and enhance your own intuition. When you're in a position to ask for guidance, simply pull a card and invite the imagery to speak to you. Perfect. So no specific way that it has to be utilized. And then it goes into each of the cards' meanings with full page printout. We have about the artist and the author. Awesome. Okay, we'll dive deeper with that after we flip through the cards. I'm going to unwrap this. I'll be right back. All right, here's the back of the card. Cute. And it is the US Game Systems cardstock. It's a little bit on the thinner side. Very much the Angi Sullins deck cardstock. It's the same cardstock. I don't have an issue with it. I think it shuffles just great, flexible, and snaps back. And then we do have those pretty edges. Okay. And as always, with these gilded edges, just be gentle when you're separating the cards for the first time. Sometimes they like to stick together due to the manufacturing process. And it's not a high gloss, I would call it just a slight gloss, if that makes sense. It's reflective, but it's not a full-on matte. Okay. And I think I might read the bottom of the line, or I think I might read the title of the card just because sometimes it doesn't pick up well on the camera. So if you want to mute me, go right ahead. All right, enter the conversation. Moon, bathe in hope. It's really pretty artwork. It's giving whimsy goth in a way. Like a little moody. I like it. Seek the truest self. Tend the roots of reciprocity. Share your bounty. Transform your thoughts. Learn from the bees. There's so much to look at. Seek the ally. Shed the tears. Court the feminine. Make space for change. Fly with a dreamer. Ooh. Craft your focus. Fall, fail, fly. Protect the fledgling. Cherish the small things. Bear the truth. Seek the angel perspective. Inhale permission, exhale relief. Bubble your boundaries. Oh, I love that. Grow wild. Tell a new story. Fly the wings of worthiness. Brave the journey. Kick up your heels. Abracadabra. Leap like you mean it. I think this deck would work really well with the Tarot of Mystical Moments. Has a very similar vibe. So if you like that or the Oracle of Mystical Moments, you might like this deck. Garden the heart. Lean into the storm. Grow your wishes. Grab your monster by the tail. Indulge the whimsy. Love that. Turn your back. Let it burn. Cuddle and cradle. Court the subconscious. Go dark. Remember who you are. Welcome presence. Have tea with the birds. Bring the exile home. Embrace self-compassion. Abandon worry. Get your brave on. And unfurl the wings of forgiveness. All right, beautiful artwork, very whimsical, very dreamlike, very whimsy, goth, but also like Victorian in a way, if that makes sense. Yeah, no issues with shuffling. Let's see this way. No, I like it. All right, let's get a card to read, please. Okay, we're going to read for Abracadabra. Okay, we have the full color card over on the left, and on the right, the meaning. Say it with me, abracadabra. The word has been associated with hocus pocus, sleight of hand trickery, but it's so much more. It's an Aramaic word meaning I create as I speak. This is the time to believe in your vision and honor the power of that light source. Draw close to wonder, embrace possibilities. Your dreams ache for a way into the world. You are their lighthouse, delivering them from etheric waters into the harbor of reality. Let yourself be their ally. Hold on to the truth behind all manifestations. Seeing is not believing. Believing is seeing. Believing in the magic helps manifest it into the material realm of your life. All right. It is beautiful. I love that you can utilize this however you see fit. A daily pull, confirmation, after a dream, even if you see the visuals in some of these cards, you can go through and kind of pull it out and see if there was a message. So many different ways. It's beautifully done. I would have loved to see, more diversity in here, but that is just my personal opinion. And I think it's beautiful regardless. I think it's very ethereal, but also grounded. I love the messages. It shuffles great. Quality's great. This as a whole package is a beautiful gift for anyone, especially if they're like dipping their toes into an oracle. This is a great idea. Any of Angi Sullins oracle decks really would be a good starting point for anyone trying to dip their toes into an oracle. It's easy, straightforward, and you can utilize them in a multitude of different ways. So with that, I would love to know what your thoughts are on this particular deck. Is it something you're excited about? Is this something you already own? What are your thoughts? Let me know down in the comment section below, and let me know too, like, what is your favorite Angi Sullins deck so far? She has so many. It's hard to keep track, right? So thank you so much to US Games for sending this my way. I am excited to get to know it on a deeper level. And thank you all for hanging out with me today. I love you and I like you. If you have not done so already, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell on your way out of this video. That way you will never miss an update from me, and it helps me out with the algorithm gods. So thank you so much. Have a wonderful rest of your day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.